Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's IT Tech. Today we are going to set up ESP32, one of the most versatile microcontroller board with the help of Arduino IDE. So let's start the journey. First, we are going to open Arduino IDE and here it's ready. Next, we need to find out the ESP32 boards. For that, let's go to the tools and then board. And here, no ESP32 boards are available. So what next? Let's go to the file and next preferences. Here in the additional boards manager, just paste the URL. I will share the link in the description. Now click on OK. Next, let's go to the boards manager and search for ESP32. Next, we need to install the ESP32 board by Expressive System. Now you can see the Arduino IDE is installing the ESP32 boards. Now it's ready. Let's go to the tools again. Now the ESP32 boards are available. Now select your own and here it's ESP32 dev module. We're going to blink the built-in LED of the ESP32 board. Now here the code is ready. Next, we need to select the board. Then that's the important parameter of your ESP32 setup. Now, before uploading the code in the ESP32 board, we need to fix the board. Let's go to the device manager. For that, in the Windows search option, search for device manager. Here you will find the CP2102 USB to UART driver is missing, so that's why the warning symbol is available here. So the UART driver is not available. So what next? Let's find out. In Google, search for CP2102 driver. Let's go to the downloads option and now lots of options are available and we are going to pick the CP210X Windows drivers. Now the download is complete. Let's open the folder. After downloading the file, we need to extract the drivers. Next, we are going to install the driver. Here two variations are available, one for 64-bit, another one 86. So choose the right one for your system. Here in my case it's 64-bit. So the installation is complete. Now let's go to the device manager and here you can see no warning symbol is available and the driver successfully available. And what is the communication port? It's COM3. Again, let's go to the Arduino IDE and next go to the board and port options, right? So here the board is already selected and it's ESP32 dev module. So we need to modify the code a little bit because the LED built-in is not available here, so that's why one error is coming. So instead of LED built-in, let's specify the pin here. So here it's GPIO2. Now it's perfectly running, so you can see the blue LED is blinking, right? Thanks for watching the video.